Here we are, Carson approving. Black handles with the black paint. It's the subtlety I was looking for. The new mirror, huge improvement. Got the light fixture as well. Just want to do some Edison bulbs and some new artwork. Only thing left to do is paint the walls. As you can see, I got some Bondo repairs going on. Carson's inspecting. I think he's approving. Not too sure. I'm super happy with how this vanity came out. And the mirror might be my favorite part, honestly. It's pretty cool. Just gonna leave the doors open, leave the drawers open. I'm gonna go to my girlfriend's for the weekend, let this dry, and I'm hoping be good to go. Nice full 48-hour cure. Emerald urethane tricorn black. All right, guys.